So today we are going to display a time using a 4-digit 7 segment LED display. For that we need Raspberry Pi 3B plus, HDMI to VGA converter for displaying on monitor, power supply adapter, keyboard and mouse connected to USB connection. We need female to female jumper cable. So let's start with the connection. As it is 4-digit 1 2 3 4, that's why it is called 4-digit, and 7 segment. Each digit is divided into 7 segment: 1 2 3 4 5 6, and middle one is a 7. Now if you see back side of this 4-digit 7 segment, we get a CLK pin, DIO, VCC and ground. VCC is nothing but your power supply that will connect to your pin number 4. Ground, that is connect to your pin number 6. For CLK and DIO, we are going to use in our program a pin number 16 and pin number 18 respectively. A pin number 16, it is also represented in BCM mode as GPIO 23, whereas pin number 18 will be represented in BCM mode as GPIO 24. So either you can connect to your 23 or 24 through a BCM mode. Okay, so let's start with the connection. We use a blue cable for VCC so that confusion will be avoided. It goes to the pin number 4. 1 2 3 4. Next pin is pin number 6, that is our ground. So we use pin number 6 connected to ground. Next one is our pin number 16, that is 6 8 10 12 14 16. So 16 to CLK connection and 18 number will be connect to your DIO, digital input output. So this connection is completed. Now let's start with the program. To start with time display on your 4-digit 7 segment LED display, we have to first of all check it out. Open a terminal, type pin out and press enter. After press enter, you will get the scenario of your Raspberry Pi, a structure. In this structure, there are a number of things are shown, such as your Raspberry Pi structure, pinouts, USB ports, 4 ports, Ethernet cable connections, audio connection, HDMI connection, power connection, like this, and your SoC, system on a chip. Now, apart from this, there are the information provided at RAM, storage, Ethernet Wi-Fi, Ethernet port, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera, and so on. Now come to the your pinout. So as per the number 1 to 40, they are representing a functionality of your pin on your Raspberry Pi 3B plus. For power, we use a pin number 1, 2 and 4. For 3.3 volt, we use one pin number 1 and pin number 17. Whereas for 5 volt, we use a pin number 2 and pin number 4. For ground, we use a pin number 6, 9, 14, 20, 30 or 34, 25 and 39. And rest of the others are used as a GPIO. Now, to write a program, we use two types of mode to write to provide the connection from the Raspberry Pi. One is BCM mode and second one is a board mode. For board mode, the sequence of the pin number is as uh, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to a 40. Whereas if you are going to use the BCM mode, it will be used uh, that green highlight a GPIO 2, GPIO 3, GPIO 4 like that, GPIO 14, 15, 18. So in our programming, we have to use those number to pass instruction to the particular device. Okay, so let's start with the our main program. To write this program, before we have to import a TM1637 module. For that, we have to use a wget https colon double slash raspberry tips dot nl slash file slash tm1637.py. You have to press enter. After enter, press a file downloaded in our particular path. So we have to check it out where is the file is downloaded. So here is a file that TM1637 is downloaded. Now we are going to use a number of functions which is available in this TM1637. So let's start with a first program, that is 4 segment time. Input sys, then import a time, import date time, input rpi.gpio, that is general purpose input output, as the GPIO. So we have represent with a GPIO alias name. Import TM1637, which is downloaded right now. Now from TM1637 we have to import a class called as TM1637 capital. Now here is a comment that indicate from the device a CL key is represented to pin number 16 and D10, that is DIO, that is represent to pin number 18. If you are going to use the BCM method, so we have to pass as a GPIO 23 and 24 in a program. So here we use an object called a display, which is created through a module called as a TM1637, importing the class, passing the parameter as 23 and 24. So by default the BCM mode is applicable. So pin number 23 indicate your CLK, that is clock, and pin number 24 is a D10. Now proceed for, we are importing a bright underscore typical from your TM1637. Now we use the display dot clear. So previously whatever the display on your screen, that is your 4-digit 7 segment, that should be clear. Now display dot set brightness. To set a particular brightness, we use these functions from that TM1637. Now we use the while loop, that is true, always true, so that it loop continues until we are not interrupted through a keyboard. We are using a variable called as now to create a now that indicate the current date, and from that we retrieve the date and time. So date time dot now is a function retrieved from date time. Now r. Now if you want to retrieve the r from the now, then you use now dot r. Now we use a minute. Again similarly, as we retrieve the hour, we can retrieve also minute using now dot minute. Same for second. Second equal to now dot second. Now it is time to arrange the sequence of your hour, minute and second in a particular list format, so that we can apply on your display device. So current time is equal to square bracket open int of r slash 10, that is whatever the number is generated, it is divided by 10, so that integer value will be displayed. Then r modulo 10, that is to represent your remaining r remainder from the r. Next, int of minute divided by 10, after that minute modulo 10. So we have to pass a 4 parameter. So for r we use a 2 digit, and for minute we use a again last 2 digit. Now display dot show. So whatever object we have created to TM1637, we have to pass the parameter using a show method as display dot show parameter as a current time. Display dot show double point parameter second modulo 2. Second modulo 2, it is represent a remainder of your seconds. So it will be blinking continuously in your output. Save the file and run the file. Now run the program. The current time will be displayed through your Raspberry Pi system. So it is 10 hours 7 minutes. And middle one that we use in a program, a double point will be a blinking. That's why our point is blinking. So this is all about displaying a time using a 4-digit 7 segment LED display. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.